In this problem, we are to represent the number 213 using number tiles by dragging them into the shaded area. Let's start by noticing that the number 3 is in the units place, and a unit will be represented by a little blue square shown here. The 1 is in the tens place. We're going to be using what's called a rod to represent the numbers in the tens place because each rod has 10 units in it. The 2 is in the hundreds place, and if you notice here, this object, sometimes called a flat, has 100 units in it, so we use a flat to represent the numbers in the hundreds place. So for example, the fact that the number 2 is in the hundreds place, that means we have 200 units. So rather than dragging many of the little blue squares, 200 in fact, which would take a very long time, I'm going to instead drag 2 flats. There's 1, there's 2. So by dragging 2 flats, I've drug 200 units in. To remove a tile, we can drag it out of the shaded area, so let me do that by dragging each of these back out of the shaded area. Now I have 200 units in the shaded area. I still need 13 more to go, and rather than dragging 13 of these, a more efficient way to do it is to notice that there's a 1 in the tens place, so I would drag 1 rod, which would give me 10 units. Now I have 210 tiles in the shaded area. I only need 3 more because there's a 3 in the units place, so I can drag 3 tiles. If I was to realign the tiles this way, you would see that the 2 flats representing the number 200 corresponds to the 2. Moving to the right, we had 1 in the tens place, we have 1 rod in the tens place, and the 3 was in the units place, so we have 3 tiles here. So this is 213. Now that I'm convinced that my answer is correct, I'm going to click the submit button. Because the green box is now white, this means I have full score on this question. I also know this because the box is completely green.